All right, hello. This video is going to be quick because I know you're busy. Also, because I only have 5 minutes to record this video because I'm using Loom and I have no money to. All right, besides the point. Today, I'm going to be going over 5 questions from the extra SAT practice. If you want a copy of this PDF, it'll be linked down in the description, including extra SAT practice's channel. So if you want to check them out, it'll be in the description. So, starting off with question one, we can see that for 6 to go to 12, it has to be multiplied by 2. Let me zoom in a bit. All right, that should be easy to see. So for 6 to go to 12, it has to be multiplied by 2. And what we do at the bottom, we do at the top. And we can see that x will equal 2. So our answer choice is B. Um, Question 2. The table above shows Michael Scott's paper sales. Which of the following equation represents the relationship between x and y? So to find the relationship between x and y, we need to see what kind of relationship they're having. So we can see that this number is increasing by 2, and this is also increasing by 1. So our slope is 2. So equals 2x. Um, oh, that's kind of bad here. Equals 2x plus b. Now we need to solve for b, our y-intercept. So we can plug in some random order pairs, which could be 7 plus, 7 equals 2 times 2 plus b. We get 4, subtract 4 from, so we get 3 equals b. So we can rewrite this into y equals 2x plus 3. All right, and then we can see that that matches up with answer choice D, so our answer is D. All right, question 3. Jim sells a number of paper bundles X for 100 each. The remaining paper bundles Y he sells for $50 each. So we can see that X is 100 and 50, or Y is 50. During the winter, he sold 350 paper bundles. That's just unnecessary. You don't really need to read that besides this part, which is what the question is asking you. Which system of equation represents this relationship between x and y? So we can immediately cross C and D out because we're not multiplying 3,500 by 350, and we're not setting anything equal to each other besides this, right? So we can cross C and D. All right, and then we can see that A and B only differ by this portion. And as we wrote in these two numbers, we can see that x is 100 and y is 50. So our answer choice is B. All right, question 4. Remember, this is a trinomial, so we're going to use A times C method. A times C method means you multiply the A and C variable, and then whatever you get, you have to find two numbers that multiply to the product of A times C, while they also add up to B. So here, um, 1 times 25 is 25. Um, and we have to find two numbers that multiply to 25 but also add up to 10, and we can find 5 plus 5, right? Because 5 times 5 is 25, 5 plus 5 is 10, so that works perfectly. So we can rewrite this into 2x plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. All right, now we find what they have in common. So x x, these two have an x, so x times x plus 5. These both share a 5, so x plus 5. And we can rewrite this into x plus 5, x plus 5. All right, and then this goes with answer choice A, right? All right, on to the final question. All right, so this question is asking us to find the equation of the line shown. So we can already see this has a slope of 2. It rises and runs by 2. So y equals 2x, and it has an intercept at -4. So -4, and we can see that our answer choice is C. And that's the end of today's video. If you like today's video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Uh, like, share, comment, subscribe, because I need internet clout. If you guys have any questions, make sure to put them down in the description. I mean, if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, subscribe.